What I used on this was Minwax Penetrating Stain Ebony 2718. And here is one coat. You have a bench down there with plywood on top of it, so I didn't even stain those. Won't be seen. Debating whether or not I go a second coat or not. I wiped it on. This is the new Ebony 2718 from Minwax. It's supposed to be a black. Comes out pretty dark. Here's the second coat, as you can tell right here. And of course this is wet. I let the others, I'll let the rest of it dry overnight. But this is where I'm at as far as the second coat goes. And I'll show you when it's dry. So this is it, 3 coats of the Ebony by Minwax. Now the bottom board there for the shelf has got 1 coat on it. I'm going to leave it like that because I'd kind of like to have it a little bit lighter, but it doesn't, looks like it sunk in pretty well. Definitely shake up the can when you get this stuff out. I think my first coat, I barely shook up the can and put it on. I thought it was pretty light. And then today, when I was doing this coat right here, it was very light for the first coat, or for the very little bit over here in the corner that I put. And I went ahead and shook up the can again, and then it came out really dark. So I think that's my problem, was my issue. Make sure you shake up this stuff a lot. I want to thank my dad for helping me out this weekend on these workbenches. Made it a lot easier, made it a lot more fun, and thanks a lot, Dad. Thank you for liking, subscribing, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this little color here. Thank you for watching the video here. If you like it, give Minwax Ebony a try. If you don't, you might want to go with something that's either lighter or darker, however you want to see it. I was looking for the black Japan type look, and this is what I went with. It's brand new from Minwax. And as always, if you're right or hard, don't put her up wet.